Peace divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and if you're new to this channel, welcome. Today I am making a energizing juice. It is very simple. This is a great recipe if you are a beginner juicer. There are only 3 ingredients. I am going to put everything in the description as always, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more juicing and smoothie videos and natural wellness videos. The first ingredient that I'm using some rich red beets. Okay, I am using some carrots, and I'm using some apples, and I will be sure to put any tips in the description as well for maybe other things that you can substitute or add to this juice if you would like. And today I am using my H320 juicer. The information will be in the description, of course. First, we're going to put the apples in. Now I'm going to put the lovely red beets in. And now I'm going to fill the rest of this up with some carrots. We're going to go ahead and juice this lovely 3-ingredient energizing juice up. I think we had about a good 25 ounces. So we are going to go ahead and try this lovely rich red 3-ingredient energy juice. It's very sweet because beets and carrots and apples are sweet. If you are a beginner juicer, you would love this juice, and it's very beginner friendly. I wonder, it would probably be good with some ginger, probably, I would imagine. What other recipes that you can add with this? Oranges. I'll put everything in the description, of course. Well, thank you, divines, for stopping by Montauk Avenue. Love making these videos, and if you want to check out more of my videos, be sure to subscribe and to watch all of my lovely videos that I make with smoothies and juices, and there will be plenty more videos. As always, I want you to be well. I want you to be